Why RKLB stock could be one of the most compelling long-term investments of this decade. Let me be very clear from the beginning. Rocket Lab, traded under the ticker RKLB, is not a safe stock. It is not a dividend stock. It is not something you buy for stability or short-term comfort. But if you understand what you are buying, and more importantly why you are buying it, RKLB may represent one of the most asymmetric long-term investment opportunities in today's market. Every major wealth cycle in history has been built on industries that initially looked risky, uncertain, and misunderstood. Railroads, electricity, the internet, smartphones, artificial intelligence. Today, space is following the exact same pattern. Most people still think of space as science fiction, as something far away from everyday business. That perception is outdated. Space is no longer a dream. It is infrastructure. And infrastructure creates recurring demand, long-term contracts, and massive economic value. Rocket Lab is not trying to be a dream. Rocket Lab is trying to be a business. This distinction matters more than most investors realize. Rocket Lab is one of the very few publicly traded companies that gives retail investors direct exposure to the space economy. While SpaceX dominates headlines, it remains private. Retail investors are locked out. RKLB is one of the only doors still open. And doors like this do not stay open forever. Rocket Lab already does something that eliminates the biggest risk faced by early-stage technology companies: execution risk. This is not a company that only exists on slides and promises. Rocket Lab has launched rockets successfully. It has customers. It has contracts. It has revenue. It operates in one of the most technically demanding industries on Earth, and it survives. That alone places Rocket Lab in a very small and very elite group. The company's Electron rocket serves a clear and growing niche: small satellite launches. Instead of competing directly with heavy-lift rockets, Rocket Lab chose precision, frequency, and flexibility. This is not accidental. It is strategic. The world is moving toward constellations of smaller satellites rather than a few massive ones. Earth observation, climate monitoring, defense, communications, and data analytics all benefit from distributed satellite networks. Electron exists to serve exactly that future. But here is what most casual investors miss. Rocket Lab is not just a launch company. In fact, one of Rocket Lab's most important revenue streams does not involve launching rockets at all. The company designs and manufactures satellite components, spacecraft systems, and space-grade hardware. These products are sold to governments, defense agencies, and private aerospace firms. This matters because manufacturing space systems is lower risk, higher margin, and more predictable than launch services. It creates stability in a sector known for volatility. It anchors Rocket Lab financially while the company pursues bigger ambitions. Those ambitions are embodied in one word: Neutron. Neutron is Rocket Lab's next-generation medium-lift rocket. This is the vehicle that could fundamentally change the company's scale, revenue potential, and market perception. If Neutron succeeds, Rocket Lab moves from a niche player to a major industry contender. And yes, this is where risk exists. Developing rockets is brutally difficult. Delays are common. Costs are high. Failures are public. But risk is not something to avoid blindly. It is something to price correctly. The market often struggles to price long-term optionality. And Neutron represents massive optionality. Even if Rocket Lab never becomes another SpaceX, it does not need to. It only needs to become profitable, relevant, and embedded in the global space economy. That alone would justify valuations far above current levels over a long enough time horizon. Another reason RKLB deserves attention is its alignment with government and defense spending. Space is increasingly viewed as a strategic domain. Surveillance, communication, navigation, and security all depend on orbital assets. Governments are not reducing spending here. They are accelerating it. Long-term government contracts create resilience. They reduce dependence on consumer sentiment. They protect companies during economic downturns. This is exactly the kind of customer base long-term investors want. From a portfolio perspective, RKLB also plays an important psychological role. It represents a future-focused allocation. It is a way to express belief in technological progress without betting on hype-driven consumer trends. You are not buying a trend. You are buying infrastructure. Of course, Rocket Lab is not profitable yet. That scares many investors away. But profitability is not the starting line for growth companies. It is the destination. The real question is not whether Rocket Lab is profitable today, but whether it is moving in the right direction with a credible path forward. The company continues to increase revenue, expand contracts, and strengthen its technological moat. These are leading indicators. Profitability follows execution, not the other way around. RKLB stock is volatile. That is not a flaw, it is a feature. Volatility is what creates opportunity for patient investors. The market overreacts to delays, headlines, and sentiment shifts. Long-term investors use these moments to build positions, not abandon them. The mistake most people make is trying to treat a long-term growth stock like a short-term trade. Rocket Lab should not be judged quarter by quarter. It should be judged year by year. If you believe that space will matter more in 10 years than it does today, then it is logical to allocate capital to companies building that future now. If you believe satellites, data, and orbital infrastructure will continue to grow, then Rocket Lab deserves serious consideration. RKLB is not a stock you buy with hope. It is a stock you buy with conviction, patience, and a clear understanding of risk. It belongs as a small but meaningful part of a diversified portfolio, not as a reckless all-in bet. The biggest rewards in investing rarely come from what feels comfortable. They come from what feels uncomfortable, but reasonable. Rocket Lab sits, in other words, Rocket Lab benefits from the growth of the space industry even when it is not launching rockets itself. This diversification is crucial. It reduces dependence on any single program or vehicle. It also stabilizes cash flow, making the business more resilient during periods of market stress or development delays. Now, let's talk honestly about risk, because convincing people to invest does not mean ignoring reality. Rocket Lab faces real challenges. Capital requirements are high. Competition exists. Development timelines can slip. Market sentiment can turn negative quickly. But risk without context is meaningless. The correct question is not, is RKLB risky? The correct question is the risk appropriately compensated by potential return? At current valuations, RKLB does not need perfection to succeed. It does not need to dominate the entire industry. It only needs to execute reasonably well, grow steadily, and prove long-term relevance. The upside scenario is massive compared to the downside risk if position sizing is handled responsibly. This is what makes RKLB a compelling investment, not a speculative gamble. Another often overlooked factor is talent. Aerospace is one of the most talent-constrained industries in the world. Rocket Lab has repeatedly demonstrated the ability to attract and retain world-class engineers, scientists, and operators. Talent density matters. It compounds over time. Great teams solve problems faster, adapt better, and recover from setbacks more effectively. Investors underestimate this advantage because it does not appear on balance sheets, but it shows up in results. Rocket Lab's leadership understands execution. This is not a company run by hype merchants. It is run by engineers who know that failure in this industry is not forgiven easily. This culture reduces the likelihood of catastrophic mistakes. From a macro perspective, RKLB also provides exposure to themes that are likely to outlast economic cycles. Defense spending, national security, and strategic infrastructure are not discretionary. Governments prioritize them regardless of interest rates or consumer confidence. As geopolitical tensions increase globally, space assets become even more critical. Communication, surveillance, and navigation systems are foundational to modern defense. Rocket Lab's involvement in this ecosystem creates long-term demand that is not tied to consumer spending trends. This is especially important for investors worried about recessions or market downturns. Companies tied purely to consumer behavior suffer the most during economic slowdowns. Infrastructure and defense-linked companies often remain resilient. RKLB also benefits from something many growth companies lack: clear narrative consistency. The company has not pivoted wildly from one idea to another. Its strategy has remained focused: build reliable launch services, expand space systems, and scale through Neutron. Consistency builds investor trust over time. Market sentiment will fluctuate. Headlines will come and go. But businesses that execute consistently tend to win in the long run. If you zoom out far enough, RKLB stock represents more than just a company. It represents a bet on humanity's expanding footprint beyond Earth. That may sound philosophical, but markets eventually reward industries that align with long-term human behavior. Humans explore. Humans expand. Humans build infrastructure where opportunity exists. Space is the next frontier where this pattern repeats. The investors who benefit the most from these transitions are not those who chase peaks, but those who enter early, manage risk intelligently, and remain patient. RKLB offers that opportunity today. This is not about predicting the next quarter. It is about positioning for the next decade. If Rocket Lab continues on its current trajectory, expanding revenue, strengthening partnerships, and advancing Neutron, the market will eventually reprice the stock to reflect that reality. When that happens, it will not be sudden for those who are paying attention early. It will feel obvious in hindsight. Most people miss opportunities not because they lack information, but because they lack conviction. They wait for certainty. But certainty in markets is always priced in. RKLB is still in the phase where belief matters more than consensus. And that is exactly where long-term investors should want to be.